come to a 100-year celebration makes you feel, part of a trajectory, part of a community of scholars. The opportunity to meet with class of 70 and class of 2025 and, exchange ideas and experiences. It's very powerful. It shows you the power of the program.
I have to confess that I try to use any opportunity to come back because this is a place that was foundational to me.
Harvard LL.M had a huge impact on my life. I enjoyed it very much. I learned a lot. It's great to be back and to learn once again.
Just wanted to be back again, to enjoy the environment and to see friends, to come to see professors.
100 years, that's a lot of years. Back in 1924, I don't think anyone would have envisioned the transformative impact that you and your fellow LLMs would have.
People are empowered in this program in very different ways. And I think that's what's amazing for me. So coming back and just sort of being able to see the different trajectories people have taken, it shows me how much agency we have in terms of what we can do with what we get from the school.
Over this weekend, you will hear from world leaders, from judges of international and Supreme Courts, from law firm partners, business entrepreneurs, civil servants, human rights advocates, and many others about how their experiences as students here has propelled their lives and careers.
In my career, one of the responsibilities I had out of court was to look after international judicial relations. And having been in Harvard and done the LL.M, which was so international, I was completely at ease in talking to judges from all over the world.
I got my law degree in Paris. It was much more theoretical. I came to Harvard Law School. It was much more oriented to the main problems that companies or countries are facing.
Professor working hard to prepare and try to inspire you, not necessarily giving the answer to you immediately.
The questions, the discussion, the ability of students to come up with new ideas and to debate them and so on.
As someone who is a first-generation person within my family to have received an education of this kind, and also a Black woman, an African woman, many times the degree has sort of gone ahead of you to kick down some doors that you might have otherwise faced.
I came here, I was a young Colombian lawyer. I went back and everybody saw me as a different person. I had this academic weight that allowed me to do so many things in life. So I would have never been the first female, first full-time professor, dean of a law school if it had not been for Harvard. It was life-changing.
There's obviously tremendous benefit in coming here to learn the law, but that just scratches the surface of what the program gives to you, because what it really does, I think, professionally, is it gives everybody an extraordinary cultural initiation, right? Immerses you in difference, and then allows you to go out and celebrate that difference, to enjoy that difference, but also to promote the value of that difference.
To a large extent, Harvard never changes. It's always a great place of learning, of exchanging.
You look at the group that's come here to celebrate together. It's an enormous legacy and footprint that the program has generated.